Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. I am Rainuma Khan and today we are going to learn essay on English grammar. तो फ्रेंड्स हमारा पहला essay है द वैल्यू ऑफ गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स। ये मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट essay है क्लास 8 से लेके पूरी क्लास 12 तक। ये हर एग्ज़ाम में पूछे जाते हैं। द वैल्यू ऑफ गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स हो गया और एक वंडर ऑफ साइंस हो गया। एक मतलब किसी लीडर पे पूछ लिया जाता है जैसे महात्मा गांधी। तो ये सब मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट ऐसे होते हैं। तो इसमें आपको कैसे लिखना है? इंट्रोडक्शन सबसे पहले। इट इज़ सेड दैट अ साउंड माइंड लिव्स इन अ साउंड बॉडी. इट इज़ साइंटिफिकली प्रूवन दैट डेवलपमेंट ऑफ पर्सनैलिटी इज़ proportional या proportionate to the development of mind and body, while a neglect of health result in adverse effect on mind also. Physical fitness. Games and sports keep body physically fit and healthy. This serves as an outlet for the energy of young people. Next, means of recreation. Games and sports serve as means of recreation. They promote healthy competition. They provide physical exercise in an interesting manner. They add thrill and excitement to the life of players as well as the spectators, who encourage them to perform even better. Promote discipline. Games and sports have their own rules to be followed. This is not only makes them interesting but also promote discipline among players. They develop team spirit, cooperation, healthy competition, fair play, etc. The players are supposed to play according to the prescribed rules and devote enough time to practice regularly. This promotes discipline among them. Next, character building. Games and sports are full of victories and defeats. The player therefore learn to accept victory and failure alike. They learn to face the challenge boldly, strive against odds, and yet develop true sportsman spirit, that is, accept failure, not to give up but come back with renewed spirit and hope to win. Respect and popularity. Hardworking and talented players soon become celebrities. They get worldwide fame and respect. They are loved by their fans even outside their country, but they need to work harder to maintain this fame and respect. Conclusion. Games and sports are necessary in a person's life, especially children and young people, though they are given their due place in the curriculum of schools and colleges, but this is not enough because in reality they still remain neglected. There are many talented players who do not get a chance to exhibit their talent in the absence of adequate facilities, encouragement, and opportunities. And next, a wonder of science. Introduction. It is the age of science. There are many wonders of science. Science play an important role in our daily life. It has made our life easier and more comfortable. Science is nothing but a systematic way of knowledge and living. Man's qualities of curiosity, alertness, and keep observation of change in natural happenings has given birth to science and scientific study. Next is scientific invention. Scientists have invented several things and machines, big and small, through observation of very simple events. Water boiling in a kettle has given us an idea of railway engine. Falling of an apple from a tree has helped Newton to discover the law of gravity. Electricity is the greatest invention of man. It serves us in hundreds and thousands of ways. It runs our train, mills, and factories. It cools and keeps our house warm. It washes and irons our clothes. It gives us cool air and entertains us through cinema, TV, and radio. Besides lighting our houses, modern life is impossible without electricity. Means of communications: buses, cars, trains, ships, and aeroplanes are the greatest contribution of science. Man can reach any part of the world within hours. He has even reached the other planets with the help of science. The day is not very far when man will able to travel easily to other stars and planets. Medicines and surgery. Science has not only cured man from terrible disease, it has lengthened his age and made him healthier as well. In the field of surgery too, science has done wonders. Heart surgery and heart transplantation have become ordinary things nowadays. Science has controlled incurable diseases like TB, leprose, and cancer too. Atomic energy. With the discovery of atomic energy, man has harnessed an inexhaustible source of energy. It can meet the demands of energy of the world for a long time. कंप्यूटर्स में मतलब जो कंप्यूटर्स की वो करने की ज़रूरत नहीं, क्योंकि कंप्यूटर से भी रिलेटेड एक आता है ऐसे कंप्यूटर एडवांटेज एंड डिसएडवांटेज। तो कंप्यूटर्स और डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ साइंस, हाउ टू मिनिमाइज डिसएडवांटेज, ये तीनों छोड़ दे पॉइंट। नेक्स्ट है कंक्लूजन। साइंस इज़ अ ग्रेट हेल्पर टू मॉडर्न मैन। इफ प्रॉपरली यूज इट कैन मेक द लाइफ ऑफ मैन healthier and happier. Truly it is because of science that man is called the master of the world. So that is for today guys. Thank you for watching.